welcome to Tones of Beauty Expo 2025. There's so much to see.
I'm here representing Gadbury Professional Products. We've had a great time at Tones of Beauty here, 2025. We've met some great people. The show has been really interactive. There's been a lot of people that have come up to the stand and asked and inquiring about the products, which has been really good.
We really see it as an opportunity. We've had such success yesterday, hoping for more success today.
So what made me want to attend Tones of Beauty 2025? So I wanted to expose myself to many different brands, meet different people, network, and I thought this was a really great opportunity. It's been really, really fun, and I've been able to talk to so many different people, try many different products.
It has been great at Tones of Beauty Fair, and we are looking forward to next year as well. And we have got a lot of contacts from this fair, and it has been fantastic.
So my thing to you guys is put it into your WhatsApp chat, let your friends and family know you're coming to this thing next year, put it in your diary and book it straight away.
See you at Tones of Beauty 2026.
See you at Tones of Beauty 2026.
See you guys at Tones of Beauty in 2026. You guys better be there.